Okay, do that again.
Whole lot of game.
Until then, OTD. This shirt is so big. Let me see.
You were right about that.
All right, our ladies love basketball just kicked off.
Just say hi.
What's up? What's up? What's up? MC Oliz in the building. Y'all know.
I came for him.
UABL Tournament of Nations 2025. We're gonna have a good time.
All the time now. This is a one-on-one action trying to drag down the middle of the floor on the left hand side. Come on.
Hey, hi. Hello, hello. How are you?
Okay, I reckon passes the ball. Number one. Come on, Captain.
Hi, how are y'all? Thank you guys. Hey,
Big girl from outside. Not quite there.
okay.
You see, you security.
Oh yeah, ladies. Oh yeah.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you? You are doing great.
Thank you, so are you?
Oh, thank you. Yeah, aligned. I love that. Wellness.
Thank you so much. Stand up so you can.
Oh, come on, Queen. Come on. Love it. Yes, thank you guys. Hello. How are you? Oh, Seamoss. I'm gonna be back over here.
Yes, Seamoss detox juices, gel, all shots, whatever you need, we got it.
Good. Hi. Oh, look, the store.
White ball.
We got our DJ Bag is in the building.
We see you over there.
Oh. Okay. I love it. Thank you guys so much. Hello, team. How are y'all? Good. Oh, it's the store. Yes.
Nike too.
You already know. We see. Hello, everybody. How are y'all? We just getting some footage of the vendors.
You had it.
We love it. Oh, it goes all the way around. Awesome. Look at that. You know I'm a candle girl. You know Zipora's in the building. Hello, look at this. From the motherland, shea butter. That's on my face right now. Come on, you need shea butter. Get with it.
Let's see who gonna play first.
I love your outfit. Thank you. You're welcome, sir.
We about to pan out right now. Can we pull up the dragon, please? Can we pull up?
You good? Okay.
For Team Ethiopia. Team Sudan is taking the ball out of
Still
the
got the
baseline.
Jumbotron. Ethiopia versus Sudan right now. Say hey, Queen.
We've been on the clock, y'all. It's supposed to be a 15-minute game. They added 5 minutes. The clock is just fine. Go on, my man. Let's go.
Let's a video first.
Well, I'm giving my bro Steve his flowers. So proud of you.
Say your company name.
Scared.
Oh, Vibrant Designs. We're going to be
Don't be
here.
scared of that shot. If you gonna put it up, put it up.
Period.
Number 42, stop being disrespectful. Number 42.
Yes. CON 2025. I love your hair. Look at the video. Look at that. Period.
The hairstyle. Period.
Shot is up for number 10. Up one, y'all got one time out. It's an even playing field right now. I don't want to hear nothing from nobody. Let's go.
Yes, the future. The future. The future.
DJ
videos.
booth. Number
Say
10.
so.
Number 10 for Shelly.
Girl.
Give me that. I'm driving, but somebody say I'm taking that away from you. Number 25, up and under. And we're gonna count that. Let's go. If you mad, the ref is letting y'all play. The refs are letting y'all play.
We really here. We really here. Live action. Live action. That's really happening. It's real. Real sport. Real sport. Real sport.
My Afrobeat lovers. No.
You know how hard this nigga, these motherfuckers hit it? It was hard as shit.
Hey, man.
You being recorded?
Yo, top 2. I mean, not 2. Same time next year.
Can you believe it? Liberia.
Very period.
Liberia. LIB. It was great.
You got more?
Now we know.
August!
Wow.
It's like the NBA game where they were doing stuff on the sideline. I think that's the effect you're trying to get.
Yes.
It's dope. Like, this is high. What do you think?
Yeah. Period. Yes.
Don't look so scared.
Oh, I look scared. I'm amazed.
Now, do you want to step out a little bit because.
No. It's 20 here. He ain't there right now.
Liberian song.
Okay, let me show y'all the video as best I can about it.
The national anthem. Oh, hell, Liberia. I don't know if they know it though.
Oh, hell, Liberia.
I don't know how. I thought that was too much.